Good morning, guys. NCWQ here, and I have you looking at EMSC. And 2 hours ago, 2 hours and 55 minutes ago, there was a 4.1 earthquake. It was 22 kilometers deep, and it was in greater Los Angeles, California area. That was followed by a 2.4, which was followed by a 2.2, a 2.3, a 2.3, and a 2.1. I have marked these on Google Earth, and we're going to look at this area here. We can see that there is two clusters here, and then one by itself. So we start with a 4.1. This was in a neighborhood area. This is houses here. Then we go to the 2.4. This was over here in a construction area. This is I believe the name of it was SoFi Stadium. So this is the buildings for the SoFi Stadium where that is under construction. Then we go to the 2.2, which was back over here where our 4.1 hit. The 2.3 is back over the SoFi Stadium. The 2.3 is back over at the 4.1. And the 2.1 was over by itself. Anyway, I thought I'd do a ground view if we have one of this construction area. And I think we can go, maybe we'll go over here. I don't know what we'll see, but we'll look. And this is the street. Well, looks like a night view. Hang on. Wait for this to go. So this looks like a night view of this area, so they really don't want you to see during the day. Interesting. Okay, so let's try this again. We'll do a different area. We'll go on this one here. You can see they're doing work. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd give a real quick update for the Los Angeles earthquake. Hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.